Hey everybody, it's Haley. Today we are making these raspberry lemon white chocolate chip cookies because they're so cute and they would be perfect for Valentine's Day, so let's get started. You need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar, and beat that together until it's light and fluffy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs and beat that in again until it's light and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down your bowl. Then for some lemon zest, I zested half a lemon. I do not recommend doing this with a lemon that is already cut in half. It was a struggle. Nevertheless, I got it eventually. I added that in. I also added the juice from that half of the lemon. And I actually like how the juice made them kind of more cakey and light. But if you want crispier cookies, you can just leave out the lemon juice. Then for the dry ingredients, mix together 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And add that to the mixer and mix in on low. Here I'm mixing in 1.5 to 2 cups of white chocolate chips, whatever your heart desired, and about a cup of frozen raspberries. And you just want to mix this on a low. Just barely mix it in so the raspberries are distributed, but it doesn't dye your dough too much. Scoop onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes or until they have golden brown edges. Okay, my white chocolate lemon raspberry cookies are done, and I just love how pretty they look with the pops of pink raspberries. Let's try one. Love the white chocolate. There's a very strong, like bright lemony flavor with the tart raspberries. So delicious. And I like how they kind of turned out a little bit cakier, like fluffy cookies because of the lemon juice, and these are just so soft. Thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. If you want to make the original recipe for chewy, crispy white chocolate chip cookies, I'll link those below, or if you want to make more Valentine's desserts, make sure you click the videos up here and up here. And I'll see you next time. Bye!